The Magic Bullet Blender, small, silver. The 11-piece set, which has long been a popular entry-level option for compact blending, chopping, and mixing tasks. Let's walk through what it offers, then I'll share my hands-on experience. The set includes a motor base, 2 blending cups, 2 tall slim cups, a cross blade for blending, a flat blade for chopping or grinding, lids, and other attachments, total of 11 pieces. The design is compact and space-saving, ideal for small kitchens or dorms. It's marketed for versatility, blending, chopping, mixing, and converting ingredients into simple recipes. The cups and most accessories are dishwasher safe, which helps with cleanup. The motor base isn't ultra powerful, in the range typical for personal blenders, so the Magic Bullet works best for softer fruits, light blends, sauces, and smaller jobs. In my usage, I tested everything from smoothies with banana, berries, spinach, yogurt and ice, to chopping nuts, whipping dressings, and blending other ingredients. For soft or partly frozen blends, the Magic Bullet delivered smooth textures reasonably quickly, around 30 to 45 seconds. The smaller cup and slim design make it easy to pour or use directly as a serving container. The cross blade handled light pulsing well. For chopping tasks, like nuts or onion pieces, the flat blade worked decently, though the capacity is limited, so I often had to chop in batches. Cleanup was easy. Detach the blade, rinse, pop cups in top rack. There were minimal leaks or drips during blending, as long as everything is tightly sealed. But there are trade-offs. When I tried to blend dense or large chunks of ice or frozen fruit, the motor labored and sometimes stalled. Also, because of the small capacity, you can't make large servings in one go. The unit tends to vibrate more under heavier loads. Some users mention wear over time, blades dulling or seals degrading. Because the parts are many and small, keeping them organized is a necessity. Another usability note: alignments of lids and locking sometimes require care, and overfilling can cause spillover. If your needs are moderate, smoothies for one, occasional chopping, sauces, the Magic Bullet offers strong value in compact form. It's very beginner-friendly and versatile for light kitchen tasks. And yes, we share by links in description box, so feel free to check the offer. I rate it 3.5 to 4 stars depending on how hard you push it. For everyday, light use, it holds up well.